Well, if the great man says so. Now, Tuesday, August 11 has been marked as the date for the return of Caribbean Premier League cricket to Sabina Park following the announcement of the 2026 schedule of games. The venue will host 4 games, with the first being between the new Jamaica Kingsmen franchise and Barbados Royals at 7 p.m. local time. 2 days later, the Kingsmen will host the Guyana Amazon Warriors on August 13, before games against the title holders, the Trinbago Knight Riders, on Saturday, August 15, and against St. Kitts and Nevis Patriots on Tuesday, August 18. This will be the first set of CPL matches to be played at Sabina Park since 2019. The new Jamaica Kingsmen will open the CPL season against Antigua and Barbuda Falcons in St. Vincent on Friday, August 7. The 2026 edition will also mark several historic milestones for the tournament. St. Vincent and the Grenadines will host CPL matches for the first time. At the other end of the tournament, Barbados will host the CPL finals for the first time. 39 matches will be played from August 7 to September 20.